Are you looking for innovative ways to earn some extra cash? Look no further than the power of Chat GPT, the state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. From language translation services to copywriting, Chat GPT offers a wide range of opportunities for individuals and businesses to monetize its capabilities. From creating chatbots for customer service to generating automated content for your website, the possibilities are endless. So whether you are a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just looking for a side hustle, watch this video to discover 10 ways to make money with Chat GPT. Number 10. Language translation services. Are you ready to tap into a high-demand market and earn money from the comfort of your own home? Look no further than Chat GPT, the powerful language model that can help you start your own language translation services business. Imagine having the ability to serve a global audience and fulfill requests for translation in multiple languages with ease. With Chat GPT by your side, it's simple. Clients can submit requests on your website or online platform, and you can use Chat GPT to accurately translate the text from the source language to the desired target language. Once you've reviewed the translation for accuracy and made any necessary adjustments, you can deliver the finished product to the client and collect payment. Number 9. E-commerce. Looking for a way to use Chat GPT to earn money? E-commerce solution allows you to effortlessly generate product listings and descriptions for online marketplaces such as Amazon and Etsy. By utilizing Chat GPT to create accurate and engaging product descriptions, you can save time and increase sales. Not only will it save you time, but it also improves the quality of your product listings, resulting in more conversions and revenue. Number 8. YouTube automation. One way to make money using Chat GPT is by using the platform to automate specific tasks on YouTube. For example, you could use Chat GPT to create a chatbot to respond to user comments on YouTube. This can save you time and help you engage with your audience more effectively. Additionally, Chat GPT can be used to comment on other videos in your niche, which can help drive traffic to your channel and increase visibility. Another way to use Chat GPT is for brainstorming, studying, and researching new YouTube ideas and keywords, which can help you stay on top of the latest trends and create content that resonates with your audience. Finally, Chat GPT can also be used to generate YouTube content outlines by providing the headline and even generate YouTube script and copy, which can save you time and effort in the content creation process. Overall, Chat GPT can be a powerful tool for automating tasks on YouTube, which can save you time, increase visibility, and ultimately make money. Number 7. Earn money as a freelancer by using Chat GPT. Chat GPT's ability to rapidly generate and disseminate content to clients offers freelancers the potential to significantly increase their outcome. With its streamlined and efficient workflow, Chat GPT empowers freelancers to produce more content in less time, thereby expanding their earning potential. As a result, Chat GPT is a valuable tool for freelancers looking to boost their income and grow their business. Number 6. Content creation. Chat GPT is the perfect solution for content creators looking to boost their output and earn more money. Its advanced language generation capabilities allow you to generate unique and engaging articles, blog posts, and other written content for websites and blogs by simply providing a topic and some basic information. With the ability to quickly generate multiple pieces of content, you can take on more clients and increase your income. Number 5. Chatbot development. Are you ready to take your business to the next level with chatbot development? Look no further than Chat GPT, the ultimate tool for creating a chatbot that can provide top-notch customer support and answer frequently asked questions with ease. With its user-friendly interface and customizable features, Chat GPT allows you to tailor your chatbot to perfectly fit the needs of your business. Imagine being able to offer 24/7 support to your customers without the need for extra staff. With Chat GPT, you can not only increase customer satisfaction, but also boost your profits. Number 4. Research and data analysis. Chat GPT is a powerful tool that can assist in various data analysis tasks. With its advanced language processing capabilities, it can help you quickly and easily gather and analyze large amounts of data, providing valuable insights for research projects or informing business decisions. Whether you're a researcher looking to gather data for a study or a business professional seeking to make data-driven decisions, Chat GPT can help you uncover the information you need. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can start making data-driven decisions and earning money today. This can be used for a variety of industries, such as finance, healthcare, marketing, and more. It can also be used for small business owners, researchers, and data analysts to gain insights from the data. Number 3. Social media management. ChatGPT is the perfect tool for anyone looking to create high-quality social media content and communicate effectively with clients as a representative of a company. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or a retiree, ChatGPT offers the opportunity to earn extra income by utilizing your passion for social media. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily create engaging content and manage social media accounts for businesses. With ChatGPT, you can be your own boss and work from the comfort of your home. It's a great way to earn extra income and have more flexibility in your life. Number 2. Virtual assistants. Looking to increase revenue for your business? ChatGPT, a virtual assistance tool, can help. With advanced natural language capabilities, it can improve customer interactions by answering inquiries, scheduling appointments, and more. Having a chatbot on your website can also enhance the customer experience and save your business time and money. ChatGPT can provide 24/7 support, adapt to your industry's jargon, and can be tailored to your business needs. Number 1. Copywriting. You can generate income by utilizing ChatGPT through copywriting. By generating product descriptions, advertisement copy, and other marketing materials for businesses, you can help them improve their sales and reach more customers. Utilizing ChatGPT is easy. You only need to identify the target audience and the desired message. Let ChatGPT take care of the rest. With its advanced language capabilities, ChatGPT can compose a persuasive and compelling copy that will bring in results for your clients. Thank you for watching our video on 10 ways to make money with ChatGPT. As we've shown, there are countless opportunities to leverage this powerful software and turn a profit. Whether you're a business owner looking to automate customer service, a content creator looking to generate new ideas, or an entrepreneur looking for a new revenue stream, ChatGPT has something to offer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more ways to use ChatGPT to make money. We'll be bringing you more videos on this topic in the near future, so you won't want to miss it. Thanks for tuning in, and we can't wait to see what you create with ChatGPT. See you in the next video.